class. My name's Brittany. I am new to this whole recording myself, so if I'm a little awkward, hopefully I will get better as I continue doing more of these for the class. I am originally from Indianapolis, Indiana, and I currently live in Clarksville, Tennessee. My husband is stationed at Fort Campbell, Kentucky, which is the reason we are here. I got out of the Army in May of 2020, and I've just been a stay-at-home mom to my 4 kids since. I was a medical assistant prior to joining the Army for about 7 years, and that's when I decided that I wanted to pursue some sort of medical degree in the future after I did my time in the Army, and I decided on nursing when I found out that there was going to be an Aspen opening up in Nashville. Doing the hybrid online and some on campus makes it a lot easier when your husband works long hours and you have 4 kids. Sometimes it's hard to make it to class as much as a lot of the nursing schools were doing. So this is a really good program that I've been really excited about because it's my first opportunity to be able to do nursing school and be a mom. I do plan on working once I graduate, but ultimately I would like to go to midwifery school and become a midwife. I think that pregnancy, conception, and childbirth is amazing, and I would love to be able to help moms get the birth that they would like, and not a birth that is forced on them. And so that's a little bit about me. I'm really excited to learn about you guys and to learn from you during this class, and good luck, everybody.